The way you differentiate yourself, the way you prevail, is not by size and technology, but rather by the rate of innovation. The rate at which you innovate. If you can innovate more quickly, you prevail.
My name is Jangela Shumskis, and I'm the Executive Director for the Velociter program. And first, I'd like to say congratulations on getting through the application process and the assessment process. Even that alone is a monumental task. Good work. The hard work is now just getting started as you begin the process of being a Velociter participant. The best part is you're going to have a support network through Velociter that's going to help you get to where you need to go.
There's a lot of passion on the team to solve this problem.
We're really excited about what you're bringing to the program, and we really look forward to helping you make those connections that you need.
The ultimate goal of the program is to help you engage with a potential buyer.
You're in for a wild ride. Don't get frustrated, be patient, really stay positive.
Definitely utilize the resources we have, talking to our mentors. They're here to help you.
And there's always something that makes you unique, and we just want to find out what that is, bring that to the customer, and really help you shine.
And when you hear some crazy ideas about how your technology can be applied in a way that you might not have ever intended for it to be open.
Think about your business, think about your product, your technology, and your end user to be able to identify where you think you need to go. And then our job is to help you get there.
Welcome to the Velociter program.
Welcome.
We're excited to have you on board the DoD Velociter program from 2017.
Welcome to the program.
Welcome to the Velociter program. We look forward to working with you.
Velociter has given us a unique opportunity to get our technology in front of some of the personnel within the Army who might not know about this type of work. This is a new foam that does not exist, so there's no benchmarks for us to test our material against. And Velociter have been extremely supportive, not just technically, but from a marketing and a commercialization standpoint. So they've been fantastic.
See, the majority of small businesses that are going to SBIR and STTR, specifically at the Department of Defense, there is an assumption that because a requirement has been put out in the form of a solicitation, that the government has a need, and if you solve that need, then the government will buy your solution. And it's unfortunately an inherently flawed assumption. And so that's where Velociter really sees that there's a dual importance here. Yes, it's absolutely important to know that the technology is viable, but we're actually looking to find out if the technology is actually valuable and validate that. And then we also want to make sure that the company is viable.
You know, the old saying, knowledge is power, really does apply when you're working in a very complex bureaucracy where you don't really understand the point of view of your customer in some cases. It's very difficult to think about the first customer in that chain, which is the product manager, the PM, the contracting officer. And we help them navigate that bureaucracy, understand what the contracting officer is asking them for, understanding what's going to come next in the process.
The Department of Defense is a giant organization, and it can be difficult to find the right person who needs your technology. So we really need Velociter to help small businesses like us navigate that maze and find the customers who need our technologies.
The curriculum that we have is broken up into 2 weeks or 4 weeks. And in the 2-week class, we're really mainly focused on helping you remove that bureaucratic obstacle that you're encountering. The 4-week is a lot more intense, and the 4-week is really intended for those folks that really need some assistance in getting a sense of what's going to get a technology into the hand of a customer.
We build up what we thought is the best system ever.
It's cost effective. It puts rounds on target. It pays for itself and saved ammunition. But we're a small business, and we get that system, we put it together, and then we look at the gigantic DoD as a whole, and we go, okay, how do we sell it? And the Velociter program really did a great job of helping us walk through all the different steps. They had coaches that helped us through beginning to end, how to take our technology and bring it to the right people in the DoD.
My personal joy is helping the companies walk through those, challenging moments where they don't necessarily articulate what they do, but teaching them that they can get there, they can present to government executives, and helping them look at their business really inside out.
We are just a small part of the innovation movement within the Department of Defense, but it takes people at all levels looking for ways to change the process, looking for ways to interact, looking for ways to shift the way that we reach out to industry, to the commercial space, to small businesses, and leverage what they can do for us, which is develop technologies faster, cheaper, and get them into the hands of the warfighter when they need them most.
America's progress in science and technology has countless revolutionary discoveries within our reach. As an American, I'm proud of everything that you've done to contribute to that fearless spirit of innovation to keep America on the cutting edge.